This is a quick guide to how to install VirtualBox on a Windows 10 PC. It's dead simple, so let's get started. First, we need to open Google Chrome or whichever web browser you use. Do a quick search for VirtualBox. Scroll down the list till we hit Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click through, click on Download VirtualBox 6.1. Now you want to download two of these files. The first one is Windows Hosts, and the second one is the Extension pack, which, as it says here, provides support for USB 2 and 3 devices. This is really important, and I'll show you where we install this later. Now the program's downloaded, you can either go into your Downloads folder, or I'm just going to click it straight out of Google Chrome. We'll wait for it to open. We'll just minimize Google Chrome. Then on the Setup menu, you're going to click Next, 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 and Yes to this, Install. Wait for it to do its thing. So we can see it's put an icon on the desktop, and then we're gonna finish. So when we're in VirtualBox, we need to do one more thing, and you remember that file that we had before? We need to click in Extensions and add it. So we should be able to see it straight away in our downloads, but if you need to navigate through, it'll usually go into there when you're in Chrome. Click on it once, go to Open, Install, scroll down the list. It won't go black if you do not scroll down. Click I agree. So click OK, and you're ready to add a virtual machine. Have a look below, you'll see the links to other videos on virtual machines to get you started.